Okay, it is lunchtime, and I'm gonna use my leftover jackfruit. And I'm gonna put barbecue sauce on it, and then I'm gonna put it on a pizza, pre-made. All right, we're gonna do a white sauce. This is leftover Caesar salad dressing on the base, which also has herbs and dehydrated onion on there. Just gonna add a pinch of chili flakes. And I had a lot of leeks in the fridge, so we'll just add some chopped leek. So other than a pizza stone, I think these aerated pans are the best option for making pizza. Even when you do your dough from scratch, this helps get it really crispy. And then you gotta get the oven hot, like 475 or 500. Okay, I went back to Snapchat for a second because I read this article that said people on Snapchat don't use other platforms at all. So there's this whole group of people that want hot for food stuff, and they're not looking at anything else. Okay, just do 475. 500's a little too hot. Almost done though. I'm eating a big piece. Oh man. Okay, so the jackfruit I use is the leftover of the Chowco brand that I recommended on the blog. It's right out of the can, drained, rinsed, patted dry. I left it in the fridge, covered, and then I just tossed it in barbecue sauce really fast. That one. Snickle, are you helping shoot the video today? You're doing a very good job. Good job. I also shot my Ecuador snack taste test for my channel. Oh yes, I couldn't save those snacks any longer. I was just like waiting to eat them. So anyway, it won't be for a few weeks, but stay tuned. My eating has been slacking, so I'm gonna make a smoothie as a meal right now. I already ate part of that banana, but I'll throw the rest in. We'll add some spinach. Lots of spinach. Lots of hemp. Cherries. You only need about a teaspoon of flax oil. Oops, maybe that's 2 teaspoons. I'm gonna do water and almond milk. This is not a pretty one. Maybe I need more cherry. Ooh. Or more spinach. Oh, can't open it. More cherries helped. Not the greatest smoothie ever made, but it'll do. Okay, I just drank like half of it, but it honestly tastes like nothing. You can taste the flax oil a little bit. I'm gonna add more spinach and blend it with, I don't know, maybe almond butter. It's missing something. I know what it is. It's almond butter and a date. I'm soaking my date because they're pretty hard. It's even uglier now. But I think it's gonna taste good. It's better. Okay, for real though, like I can't even drink all of it. It's fine, it tastes good, but I'm just like putting it in the fridge for later, maybe. Want to see what's in my fridge? There's the smoothie. I drank most of it. Breakfast lasagna, spinach, cheese, pasta, mushrooms. Gotta use those up. Oh, ding dong. Almond milk, soy milk, cilantro, parsley, basil, dill. We have leftover barbecue jackfruit. What I made today for the video. Can't tell you. There's tofu in there. Pickles. Stuff. Okay, tofu, hummus, field roasts, cheese, butter, cheese, field roast, tofu, baba ganoush. There's the supplements I take when I remember. Everyone's always asking me, what supplements do you take? But I don't really take anything. Just the B12, really. Every once a week or something. Did I wake you? Sorry. I'm obviously bored. I'm waiting to go to an appointment, so I'm leaving soon. I'm going to go brush my teeth. Bye!